Hey guys, today it's gonna be a vlog slash video slash AMSR. I have my friend Cam here. There's her head. I showed them your head. So we're gonna be poking slime. I'm gonna poke mine. I can show you guys. But we're also adding things to it. I'm like, Cam, you wanna poke slime? She's like, sure. That's actually like totally what you said, isn't it?
Yep.
She's like, right now? And I'm like, yeah.
Look what I did.
Cam! You did that to my slime. Okay. You're lucky you're not one of my annoying cousins.
Yeah, you would have gotten like really mad to them.
Yeah, this is my best slime I have. That's like really good at poking. Hey, it doesn't look blue. It looks the colors it's supposed to.
Yes, we have good lighting now. Well, we don't really have that much of good lighting. We need to glue some windows. Does that look good lighting?
What?
Is that good lighting?
Yep, look at that. See it?
Hallelujah.
I'm gonna add some glue. Cause in here I add bubbles, so it'll be like bubbly. And when we're adding things to it, we have glue we could add to it. I don't know if you can see, but
It's purple glue. We made purple.
Yeah, we made purple glue. We have shaving cream. We have, this is scent.
We have lotion.
This smells so good. It's beach lotion. And I'm also not going to be just doing this slime. I'm also going to be doing other slimes. You want to push slime so I can poke that one?
Yep.
That one's one of my best slimes. Okay, this is a slime that she was working on, which she made a complete mess out of.
We did it. It's pretty now.
Okay.
Ew, you're stinky. This is stinky.
Here, have a book. Yeah, that's why I brought perfume, because all my things. Here.
No, this is paper. Do you need this or anything?
No. Don't ruin my best slime. Wait, is it going to stick?
No, it's not sticking.
I was going to say I don't want to purposely ruin my best slime. This one's like still kind of solid. Actually, it's really good.
It's actually like really, really hard, guys, if you can't tell. So, this one is not the really good one that we're just showing.
This one is like it's stretchy, but like it doesn't.
It's like
crack
hard
that well.
to stretch.
Yeah, it's like
This is your worst slime ever.
wait. I want to fix it on camera. Okay. So I'm gonna add a little bit of lotion. I'm gonna add a little bit of everything. Don't play with it. I want to fix it on camera. Okay.
I know.
I'm gonna add some bubbles with my glue because it's like really good glue now, and shaving cream.
I added a lot of shaving cream and lotion, but I don't know why you're adding more. Can I add some more glue to it?
Sure. Sorry, I just had to do that. Oh, see, look, guys, it's getting the stretch. See, Cam? It wasn't actually stretching that. Don't add too much. That's my best friend.
No.
So I'm just gonna poke it like Zion was my best. I'm gonna start with you.
Yeah, Zion was a messy person. I might mess up the cardboard, but that's it. See?
Who cares about the cardboard? I just care about my slime.
Okay, everybody, quiet time. Do ASMR.
No talking. Okay. We weren't whispering, guys. That's probably just the edit.
No, actually the boys downstairs were talking, so you probably heard them.
Yeah, they were talking really loud a second ago.
Who's sticking to it? Why? How do you open it? What's that?
Right, look at how good this is now, guys.
We're using the Monopoly thing because we don't really need it.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna back it up so you can see both.
Don't want to mix those together.
Okay, now we can see both. Keep your sign right there, okay, Cam? Okay. Next slime, which is actually a good slime. Well, actually, it's my worst slime. I'm going to fix it and show you how to fix a really good slime without ruining it. Or using all your ingredients to fix it.
Okay, so we're gonna
This
fix.
is putty. It's like putty. It's really bad.
We're
It's like-
gonna fix it together.
Yeah, you
Okay.
cut a half, and I'm gonna show you, and then you're gonna follow along. First, you're gonna need your lotion. This could be any lotion will work.
Like literally any lotion. We always fix bad times. Like we're the fixers.
Cameron, add some lotion, and you can stir it. That much.
You added way too much to your.
I know. Here's some more.
You added way too much to my half.
Just mix it in really good, and then it'll start stretching.
This one isn't. It's making a mess over here.
This one's like really buttery now. Lotion helped it.
What kind of book is that?
Okay, then you're gonna need a tiny bit of shaving cream. It has to be shaving gel.
Why?
Because shaving cream will make it too fluffy, and shaving gel won't. Shaving gel will just help it. Then AMSR like you would with a normal slime, except for don't stretch it because it's obviously very stretchy. I just sticked my arm in slime. I'm smart. And my elbow. I mean my ankle.
Okay, guys, if it isn't still stretchy, just
Then
add a little bit more lotion.
Yeah, but you're also gonna want this, which actually loosens it up. You're gonna need 2 sprays at a time. You're gonna need up to 4 sprays, so 2 at a time.
Right now, guys, I'm doing my lotion while she does that and hers, her half.
See how better this is, Cam? It wasn't even stretching this far.
It didn't even stretch at all. I forgot you need to do your sprays. You
You
need
need-
like 7 sprays.
No, I need 4. You're gonna need to do 2 slow, and then the other one 4 at a time. 2 and then stir it.
And then 4, right? And then 4.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we're gonna put these things away because I'm not supposed to have them out. I'm just joking.
Guys, we didn't whisper. You could have heard, like, I could have taken about. Well, that was actually just the boys talking downstairs.
We're not whispering, guys. We swear we wouldn't lie to you.
Do you guys hear that? The boys are, like, screaming downstairs.
You guys, shut up! Okay. That was the boys! Shut up! Okay. Mix them. And I'm going to show you how buttery this slime is. Okay, guys? Ready? Watch it. and it still hasn't braked. And it's off the camera screen.
Guys, we're gonna bring in the big boy in a second after we get it all warmed up for the video. See? Okay, okay, I get to stretch it this time because you stretch the other.
Let's both poke it. Here, we'll split it in half again. Ugh. You need a little bit more. Ugh. This one's really stretchy. It's not as,
Like,
it's everything except for, it's not butter slime, I wouldn't say. What is butter slime? It's like really buttery too. I'm just gonna let it fall. Okay, so what we're gonna do is when this is done. Okay, so we're just gonna let it fall. Shut. That is the boys, I swear, guys. Okay, put it on. Wow, this is taking forever. Perfect.
guys, we kind of got some stuck in our little box machine thing.
Let's mix them. I'm just joking.
No. Okay, let's rip them. Move your legs. I'm gonna play with my half while she drips this side. What? She's gonna play with the other half while I drip this. Oh my god, guys, there's so much to drip. Why is this not unstop dripping?
Cam, that's so drippy.
Oh my god, guys. Oh, and it ripped. Wait, it grew.
It did?
Okay, guys, did you just see that I broke this in half? And look how big it is now. Oh my god. What happened to this slime?
Okay, wait, let me poke it. Let's go downstairs and poke it. There's a really good spot, and like, bro, I'm keeping my feet in it.
Okay, guys, we're going to take you guys downstairs. We'll see you then.
Ah! I'm stuck. Okay, I'm stuck. My feet are stuck to it.
We'll see you guys then. Should we make a separate video?
No.
Okay, we'll see you guys then.
We're gonna make a separate video. Cam.